Alright, today we had a new arrival at the shop. One of the projects I talked about earlier in the video I did about the upcoming projects and everything we got going on here at the shop. Today we had delivery of the 1985 Ford Ranger F350, and this ain't no little Ranger. This is a full-size Ford pickup truck. Back in the 80s they called the big trucks Rangers. This one was a trailer special, so it's got the heavy-duty suspension, and it originally had it was set up to have a slide-in camper on it. And the gentleman that owns this truck inherited this from his father, who bought it brand new. So he wanted to get her fixed up again. So it was a good-looking truck that he remembered when his dad bought it new. So he contacted me through a cousin of mine that lives out at the beach in North Carolina. That's where they live at, down near Sunset Beach. So the old girl's not in too bad a shape for spending most of its life in Ohio. It's got a little bit of rust here at the back on this side, down the lower bottom part of the bed, and a little bit coming out here in the wheel well. Cab corners are actually really nice. I crawled around under this when I first met this guy and looked at the floor pans, and they're all nice. The worst part on this truck really is the front end. The fenders are just bad. They're rusted out down the bottoms, and they got rust around the upper wheel wells. And hood's in good shape. Looks nice and flat still. This fender is just, it's done. It's just, I'm not even going to try and save it. I can get new fenders for $100 a piece. It's not worth trying to fix these fenders. Even if I have to spend a little bit of time making these new ones fit right, it's well worth it, because that's substantial rust. And we got a little bit of rust back here on the passenger side wheel well, and again at the back, but they make patch panels for all these spots, which is nice. The interior is going to need a little bit of work. Let's see if this door is open. We're going to do some new door panels inside. These are all faded and chalky, and try and do something with the dash on it. Get the seat recovered. As far as painting the inside, we'll probably not do anything as far as paint wise, because it's all really still nice. We're just going to get, you know, the soft parts fixed up. I'm not sure if he's going to want to go with the original rubber mat style that it has, or upgrade to a carpet set in this. But nice little truck. I'm not too up on my Ford products. I usually don't work on too many Fords, but this was a really nice guy. He really wanted to have me work on the truck, so I agreed to go ahead and take on the project, even though we probably won't be doing too much with this until later in the year, because my schedule is pretty full. But if there comes a day here and there where I can do some mechanical things that need to be taken care of on the engine, it's got some leaks and needs an exhaust manifold replaced, then we'll go ahead and get all that taken care of too. But just wanted to give you a little overview of another project that we had come in, that we'll be documenting this throughout its restoration also. So again, if you can, please subscribe to the channel, drop me some comments, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, and you'll get notified when all the new videos come up of all the projects that are going on here in the shop. So again, thanks for watching and following, and we'll see you soon.